We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up AVCT stock. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a doji. We do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, adding the midpoint. So let's take a look at what's going on. So we can see market push down from an area. So at that top, we did see market spiked up for that first, overall second, third, and market's coming down from that double top at that area, the midpoint, which is the consolidation area. If we add second level lows, so let's add that so we can take another look at what's going on. So let's take a look at adding second level lows. Let's go back and reading it. So we do have that first, market came back to retest because the previous side broke, market came back to retest. That's identified the first leg, second leg, third leg. Okay, we do have that fourth leg at the M pattern, which was consolidation at the time. At that midpoint, market broke, came back to retest the second level lows, and it pushed down all the way back down to area support. So price action is sitting at a price of 0.3381. Now, if price work his way up, it can head up to this doji at the eighth to last candle of the market. If we put a midpoint in that area here, it'll reach up to 0.466 before breaking out to the next area. So looking at the market, the third, fourth, and fifth to last candle broke down to area support. Second last candle came back to retest. Price action is a retest to that support of the second last candle. If once price action become another candle, if it's bullish and green and engulfs, market's going to identify it's coming up from a double bottom. So far, we are in that consolidation. We do have price, second last candle side by side. So that's consolidation. Walking down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is identifying as a bullish green candle with a long wick up to the top. So it lost a lot of momentum at that low, like a pattern was trying to form but didn't happen. So let's read it. So market came down to this area of support. We do have that first, second, third, fourth retest, and market pushed up once. So market's coming from a head and shoulders pattern, a double bottom and a retest, or triple bottom at the bottom of that low. Okay, so price action having a hard time breaking that second, third, the fourth to last candle of the market wick for that full breakout. So until it breaks out to the top side of that area, it'll be consolidating. So we're looking for price to head up to the SR line. Price action is engulfing the previous few candles in that area at the bottom of that support. So market still can have enough momentum to still push up, but we have to wait till the market do what it do. That's why you're walking down the time frame to see how far the market made it. Walking down to the daily time frame, price action is identifying as a doji, so we can see that the market is losing momentum, but also came back for a retest. Earlier with that spike up two on that weekly time frame with the wicks, market came up for a double top. So we have a first, second, third, fourth. Market worked its way back down to that support, identified as a first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed once, and price action is a doji was the retest, and we're going to see if it's going to receive a bullish green engulfing candle to push and break that out a pattern at that low. So market be coming from a double bottom and a retest with some momentum. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, price action set second to last candle. That's that consolidation. That's why we see in the previous time frame we see that daily. So we're looking for price action to engulf the second last candle to the upside or downside to push that market in that direction. So far as side by side, what's happening is that the fourth to last candle pushed up, third to last candle retest. fourth last candle pushed up, third last candle retest, second last candle pushed up, ran into that resistance, price action, came back to retest, ran in that to support, and that's the consolidation area. So we're going to see if that market's going to respect the support to turn around to break up for that break and retest. If not, we'll see the price action engulf the second last candle, can push that market down to previous numbers of 0.3096. Walking down to a 3-hour time frame. On a 3-hour time frame, third last candle pushed up, second last candle retest. Price action has stopped at the second last candle midpoint. So if we receive an engulfment pattern, market's coming from an incline double top. Now, if it's respected, we are looking for that market to identify the first leg, second leg, third leg. If it comes, the market push up with an incline W, unless we receive price action engulf the second last candle, some of the third last candle, push that market back up to that previous area. So it can be an area of support, or it can be tagging at the midpoint to push down. Walking down to a 2-hour time frame, same as well. Just all we're looking for is price action to engulf the second last candle to the top side, the bottom side, to push that market in that direction. Same on a 1-hour time frame. Walking down to the 45-minute, same as well. So markets is in that midpoint. This is consolidation area of the last few candles. We have price action high, price action low. Market broke back down, came back to retest. So we don't know if that market's going to push down further. If so, we start seeing a bearish engulfment pattern or bearish candle start pushing down. If not, we'll see that market turn back around to head back up to price. So far, market just tagged that area, so it may be dropping down. That's a pattern that the market may be declining unless we see price action engulf that second last candle to start working its way back up to that midpoint. Walking down to the 15-minute time frame, same as well, consolidation. So market's working its way side by side as we walk down to the 15-minute time frame. Price second is still within each other of that consolidation side by side. So what happened is market broke that SR line, came back to retest and trying to push down further. Price action has a wick down to the bottom, which it can turn around and create a W formation. If not, if we keep receiving candle inside candles, that means that market's going to still be consolidating at that low area. Walking down to the 5-minute time frame. So price action on the 5-minute time frame is a bearish green doji with a long wick down to the bottom. So this area can be respected. So if it's not price action going to engulf the seventh to last candle, the market close out and push that market down, body against the previous body can work its way down unless that market is in that near area, that midpoint, which we identified as the first, second, third, fourth retest, the market pushes up. Okay, so because we do have a long wick down to that doji, so it's a retest. If market identified as a green candle, market can turn around. Walking down to a 3-minute time frame, price action is trying to come back from that retest of that broker, that midpoint line. So second last candle broke it, price action coming back to retest. But if it engulfs and close out, it can head back up to the next area, which would be at price of 0.3501. But remember, this is overall consolidation as we went down to, I think, 1 hour and lower. 1 minute time frame, same as well. So we just identifying that market broke, came back to retest. It was going to push down further. We'll see if that does happen. Market's coming from that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So it's coming from a double top. But if it's respected, we'll see that market identify that first, second. We'll see that break. Market comes back for that retest and identifies that incline W that can work that market way back to that resistance and actually break out the consolidation. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. AVCT star.